Hello my dear students, welcome back to the fifth session to practice the questions of data handling. So data is all about to organize and analyze to solve the problems. So are you ready? So let's get started. So question number 1. Study the following table which shows the production of three different type of cars over the years. So here in the table we have a production of car P, car Q and car R. What we need to find, let's check. The average production of which of the following type of cars was maximum? It's very clear that we need to find average, or you can say mean you need to find for all the production of car. So average is equal to sum of production upon the total number of years. First of all, let's count the total number of years. So it's from 2001 till 6. So total are 6 years. For every car you need to add all the production, like here 76 plus 82 plus 65 plus 70 plus 85 plus 80. So students, here you can apply the dot method for addition that I already made the video. I will put the link in the description box. Definitely it will save your time. So here we got 458 by 6, that is 76.33. Now let's find for the car Q. We got 57.83 and average production for the car R, that is 37.33. So students, please try to find or calculate by your own, and then you can cross check your answer with the given solution. Now it's a very clear that production of car is greater than car Q and car R and resembles with the option B. So question number 2, find the mean of first 10 odd natural numbers. So students, here you need to write first 10 odd natural numbers, and natural numbers always start with 1. Let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. You need to find mean. So mean is equal to sum of numbers, or you can say sum of observation upon total number on adding. And here you can apply the dot method to save your time. I already made in this video. I will put a link in the description. So on addition we got 100 by 10. Here 0 can cancel and we got 10. So let's check in the option. The 10 is in the option B. So option B will be the correct answer. So question number 3. The given line graph shows the number of toy bikes sold by Robin over 5 days. So here's the data in the form of the line graph. So what we need to find? We need to find if the cost of one toy bike is 33.6, then how much did he earn in 5 days? So students, here let's count that how he sold, what's the number he sold on Monday, that is 30, on Tuesday 80, Wednesday like 40, Tuesday is 60 and Friday is 70. So total number of bikes he sold for 5 days are 280. Here the cost of one bike is given, that is 33.6. You need to find for the 280 bikes. It's very simple that you need to multiply. On multiplication we got 9408. Let's check with the options. So it is the option A. Question number 4. The mode and median of the given data respectively are, that is given in the option. Let's try to find. So students, here the mode is the observation, that is the highest frequency. If we will check the given data, like we can see that 23 occurs 3 times, that means with the highest frequency. So mode of these data is 23. Now to find median you need to follow steps, like in step 1, whatever the data is, arrange in ascending or in descending order. Here I have arranged in the ascending order, means starting with the smallest number and ends with the greatest one. Now in step 2, let's count the number of the observation. Here the number of observation is 9. It means 9 is odd. Now step 3. So formula to find the median of the odd observation is n plus 1 divided by 2 th term. So here 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 10 by 2. On cancelling, we got fifth term. Now, go to step 1 and find out the fifth term, that is 23. So 23 is the median. Now let's check in the option. We have a mode 23. So mode 23 we can get in the option A and in D. Now let's check for the median. Here we got the median 23 again. So it resembles with the option A. So option A will be the correct answer. Question number 5. Mean of 9 observation was found to be 35. But later on, it was detected that an observation 81 was misread as 18. So here correct was 81, but it was misread as 18. Then correct mean of observations are. So students, here need to find the mean of 9 observation first. So total mean is 35 into 9, that is 315, right? As 81 was misread as 18, so correct was means you need to subtract the wrong one and add the correct one to the total mean. So 315 minus 18 plus 81 is equal to 372. Now finally you need to find the mean. So mean is total, means sum of observation upon number of observation. Now we have a 378 is the sum of observation by number of observation, that are 9. So 378 by 9 is equal to 42. Let's check in the option. So it's a option C. Question number 6. The following table shows the size of pieces of data and you need to find the mode of the data. So students, before finding the answer for this question, you need to understand that what is mode. So mode is that observation having highest frequency. So let's check in the table, like 2 having frequency 10, 3, 12, 4, 25, 5, 20, 6, 25, 15, 8 is 11. So we can see that in the frequency column 25 is the greatest number. So we can say that 4 and 6 having highest frequency, which resemble with the option C. Question number 7. The mean of 5 number is 20 and if one number is excluded means to delete. So the mean of remaining number become 23, means mean of 4 number become 23. Then what you need to find? You need to find the excluded number is. So what will be the excluded number? So students, now let's check. Let the excluded number be x. Okay. So according to question, mean of 5 number is 20. So total mean is 20 into 5, that is 100. Now after excluding x, now 5 minus 1, 4. So mean of 4 number is 23. Now total mean is again 23 into 4, 92. So need to find the excluded number. You need to subtract mean of 5 number minus mean of 4 numbers. So 100 minus 92 is equal to 8. Let's check in the option. So here it resembles with the option D. So D will be the correct answer. Question number 8. The given bar graph shows the height of 6 mountain peaks and study the graph and answer the following question. So let's solve one by one. So question number 8. Which peak is the second highest? Okay, so note down the height of all the peaks, like P is 8000 meter, Q is 6000 meter, R is 8500 meter, S is 7500 meter, T is 9000 meter, whereas U is 6500 meter. So students, we need to find for the second highest, right? So here the highest is for the peak T, and second highest, it's clear that that is for the peak R. So option B will be your correct answer. Question number 9. What is the ratio of height of peak P to height of peak T? So from the 8th question we got that the height of peak P is 8000, whereas the height of peak T is 9000. So on cancelling all three zeros we got 8:9. That is option C. Now question number 10. If the heights of the given peak are written in the descending order, then what is the average of height of the last three peaks? Okay, so students, from the 8th question we already note down all the heights of peak, but here you need to arrange all them in the descending order, means from the highest till the smallest number. So we got 9,000, 8,500, 8,000, 7,500, 6,500 and 6,000. Here we need to deal with only the last three numbers, that is 7,500, 6,500 and 6,000. So average is like sum of observation upon number of observation divided by that is 3. So here we got 20,000 by 3. Now let's check the option. So it's resemble with the option A. Dear students, please let me know how was your class in the comment section box. Now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.